This video is being brought to you by Mr. Potato Head. Actually, today we're going to dig up the potatoes. They had a tough life early on. You can look around. Garden's doing good. It has been quite dry since our last video and having to water it a lot, but everything is still doing wonderful. Anyhow, the potatoes, they don't look so good. It's time for them to come out. They've had a tough life. It was a really terrible season for growing potatoes. So let's take a quick look at them. And you can see I got an N95 mask on. That Canadian wildfire smoke is killing us again. So I'm going to start over here. These are the Yukon Gold potatoes. Now I bought 6 little potato sets of each type back in the spring. I think it was about $1.75 for the sets for these 3 bins. And we're going to dig them up and see what we get. I put them in, and we had a late freeze that kind of, just as they were starting to pop through the soil, that froze the tips of them. And, you know, they've had a lot of setbacks with all the rain and everything else we had this year. So, not expecting much, but first bin of the 6 original potatoes. You know, I got maybe about 7 pounds of potatoes. And now let's go back to the Norland Reds. They're the next bin over. And again, these went through the exact same conditions. And, you know, the plants, you can see they've died back and they've got to come out. So nothing really big, but there are some potatoes in there. So I'm going to get a lot of little ones. But actually the little ones sometimes are a lot sweeter tasting, especially if you eat them within the first couple weeks of digging them up. So let's just dig through this bin, and there it is. I got maybe about 10 pounds out of the Norland Reds. And then the next bin over, I started a couple little russet potatoes. And again, they're, you know, nothing really big. Growing season kind of stunk for them, but it was time for them to come out. So let's see what we get. And you know, with the garden, you just have to be happy with what you get. And usually, even if you get a small harvest, the flavor is there and they taste great. So let's just finish pulling out the rest of these russets. They kind of have a light color skin. They don't look like the russets that I planted, but I guess they've got to harden off a little bit. And these are supposed to be a good baking potato. Dirt pretty soft too, so I can just dig with my hands and pull them all out. But like the rest of them, nothing really big. A lot of little sweet ones, and that's it. So, you know, maybe another 10 pounds there also. So that's it. And here's another bin that I put in later, so that's got another week or 2 to go. So we'll let that this is the Yukon Gold. My wife needed an onion, so I'm going to grab one of these. I think this is like a Texas sweet, they call it, something like that. I'm just going to grab one of them and bring it up and go around the garden and, you know, look for some other stuff. So I grabbed some dill. I found some little pickling cucumbers there. I'll start a jug of pickles and an onion, a couple of overgrown zucchinis, and grabbed a couple jalapenos too. So that's today's haul, and let's go up, and I'll have to spread these out on the porch and let them start to cure before I, you know, put them down in storage. So that's it. I just wanted to show you. I didn't get much, but, you know, I'm happy for what I got, and every day lately is another harvest, which is really great. And my wife's inside actually using up some of the fresh veggies to make a pot of soup, and there's some kale she picked too from the side beds. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.